Hey swimmers, welcome back to the Swim Vice channel. Today I'm highlighting the men's 100-meter breaststroke for the 2024 Olympic trials. Zeroing in on Nick Fink, who ended up placing first in this event, I'm going to be highlighting some of his technique points. So on the start of this race, slowing this down, you see an excellent underwater. But also at this phase of the stroke, which you see right here, you notice that his feet are completely turned out, but see how high his heels are on the surface of the water while maintaining his hips and his alignment on the surface as well. This position sets him up for maximum propulsion with his breaststroke kick. Combined with his powerful kick, he's able to finish the entire stroke cycle with full extension and lengthening from his body, but also, as you see here, he is pressing his chest down and also feeling a slight lift from his hips. This allows for a great glide and also increasing his distance per stroke. And you can also see from this aerial view how much distance he's able to cover moving forward and also lunging his upper body forward when breathing.
If you're new to the channel or you've been watching my content, be sure to hit the red subscribe button below. That way you stay notified for new content weekly and you also show your support for the channel.
Now watching this aerial view slow down, you can see his breathing. He stays at an angle, staying very low, but also lunging his upper body forward. Since he breathes early, you can see in this freeze frame that he slides his traps forward, his shoulders forward, which then puts his energy further out front, opening up his body line when he finishes and ultimately keeping his hips as high on the surface as possible. You will also be able to see this point underwater. So right here when he breaks free for his first stroke, you will see right at this point he is actually finishing his breath. And you'll see how high his hips are on the surface of the water. They have not dropped while he's able to complete or start the kick. You can also see that his feet are completely turned out while maintaining his heels on the surface. And lastly, you can see for these final 20 meters how he maintains his body length, keeping his breath very quick and early, and ultimately moving at a higher tempo. In this freeze frame, he's taking his breath early, but if you notice where his shoulders are positioned, which are slightly dropped, you will see within the next frame as he finishes the breath, he slides his shoulders forward and he's using his back to lengthen as much as possible while finishing the breath and finishing the stroke cycle. So ultimately, all of these movements are helping him just skim the surface of the water and reducing as much drag as possible. All right, swimmers, if you found this video inspiring, drop a comment below. And if you're looking to improve your own technique, hit the pinned comments below and join my Swim Vice program. You'll have access to multiple video courses on different strokes and so much more. You can go to swimvice.com for more resources to help with your swim practice. All right, swimmers, enjoy your training and I will see you all next week.